kuna tanda koko itawana evumbia fayonke bono baba keno bangule mumba kwenu yani ndolo petelo iwa bondelo mwana ndi mukele emadia ah emadia kuna tanda koko itawana evumbia fayonke bono baba keno bangule mumba kwenu yani ndolo petelo iwa bondelo mwana ndi mukele emadia ah emadia Emoyonge yentandilanga amatokonge basidi moyo emoyonge yentandilanga amatokonge basidi moyo awe impange mama amatokonge basidi moyo emoyonge yentandilanga amatokonge basidi moyo awe impange mama okuzuluma nomboke lwanga omundelekeda paneti okuzuluma nomboke lwanga omundelekeda paneti mame mole awe impange mama mame mole awe impange mama okuzuluma nomboke lwanga omundelekeda paneti okuzuluma nomboke lwanga omundelekeda paneti mame mole awe impange mama itawana evumbia fayonke bono baba keno bangule mumba kwenu yani ndolo petelo iwa bondelo mwana ndi mukele emadia ah emadia Tanda koko itawana evumbia fayonke bono baba keno bangule mumba kwenu yani ndolo petelo iwa bondelo mwana ndi mukele emadia ah emadia Emadia, Emadia. Oh.
Sekulekele ntangu unanzila zezombo yatumyokomyoko agento mukwenda kangajenanga yemvatumyao myembote mbote munante tolumoso maza malwidi kembo yenkembo yenkunga myemasikilu zombo city makela tu zombwewe zombo city Peu pilumfuta Zombo city Makela tu zombwewe Zombo city Peu pilumfuta Eminda mie bala Uvana minanga eluzaisu Vangolo engutukilo Evuvu kempa kivutukidi Unkaziluze kesenkangu kizengo mona Ngoma isanzi Akivene mongolo Entetembazi kwendanga munzaki Zombo city Makela tu zombwewe Zombo city Peu pilumfuta Zombo city Makela tu zombwewe Zombo city Peu pilumfuta Os acrobatas, cuspidores de fogo, músicos da praça aquecem o ambiente, multidão está pronto pelo apoteose. Zombo City, Makela do Zombwewe. Zombo City, Peu Pilumfuta. Zombo City, Makela do Zombwewe. Zombo City, Peu Pilumfuta. Os acrobatas, cuspidores de fogo, músicos da praça aquecem o ambiente, multidão está pronto pelo apoteose. Quero sonhar, quero cantar, quero gritar, Zombo. Quero sonhar, quero cantar, quero gritar e desenhar, Zombo City.
Kiambote. Kiambote tata on mute fica. Uma vipi?
Kiambote.
Oh, tata Kwasi. Kiambote tata Kwasi. We can't see you, tata Kwasi. Your video is off. Oh, thank you very much. We can see you now. Thank you very much for making it. Thank you for your time. I mean, it's Sunday, but we need to honor our ancestors. Ancestors. We are going to do some exercise because last time, in the last 2 weeks, I think we've been learning about Kikongo grammar. Now I'm going to test your knowledge. But just make sure you have your notes, yes, totally. Okay, let me just say hello to the audience. Thank you very much. If you're watching, we are learning Kikongo. Kikongo is the language of Kongo Kingdom, spoken in Angola, Gabon, the DRC, and the Republic of Congo. I mean, Congo, Brazzaville, and Congo Kinshasa. Tuto Ndele, Ngizambote, welcome. Tata Alain, let me just share my screen. Where is my screen? Yes, it's there. Before I share my screen, any question? Any major question? Tata Alain.
No questions.
Okay, let me just say, okay. Let me try to display my screen. Hopefully, it's going to. Where is it? Yes, you learn a good Kikongo totally. I mean it. No, seriously, because I mean, we are live. I think that okay. Remember yesterday, I was teaching the French class. Usually, I sing before. I mean, the introduction. I sing hymn from the hymn book, the old one. I mean, the hymn book is not old, but the Kikongo on that hymn book is very old Kikongo. Then there was a sentence I didn't understand. That I did ask advice from my advisors, of course. None of them could. None of them could help me. Everyone was saying that no, I'm going to ask the elders. I'm going to ask people in Angola. See, so we are learning from the source, you know. So this is Kikongo from Dr. Lemvo. Yes. Okay. If you go to your notes, we're using. Let me just try to remember. We're using this pronoun totally mono, yeah, instead of I. The other one, what are they? Totally, yes?
Yeah.
Monongeye yandi. Plural should be easy. Totally. Can you carry on first, plural?
Eno eto.
Correct, yeah. Yeno et, yes. Yeah, well done.
No,
yes.
yeno yeto yao.
Yes. Oh, Kambote.
Kimbote.
Batadi, how are you?
Oh, pretty good. How you doing?
Good. Thank you very much for making it. I mean, you are brave, you know. Sunday.
Yeah.
We need to honor our ancestors, you know.
Yeah.
We are African. We are the only people that say honor our ancestors. Honor your ancestors. Yes. If you go to your notes that I like your haircut, you know. Wow. See, that's how it is.
Mm-hmm.
Good haircut. Yay, well done. Let me just try to remove the obstacle. See, people can see that. Yeah. Wow. So 9 o'clock Los Angeles. Okay. Let me just make it big. Yeah, like this. This one's okay. So Tata question, are you there?
Yeah.
These are personal pronoun. Mono, me. But by the way, this mono you see, there is a music. It's taking a mono stereo. This is mono is Kikongo, yeah, from Latin, yeah. Yes. Remember,
Yes.
those how do you call it? Not video. The old music your stereo music. Yeah, they call it stereo. Your big one. Yeah, mono. I mean, mono is one coming from Kikongo. We have it in Latin. Yeah, mono ngeye. Mono mean me or I. Ngeye you. Yandi. Yes, tata out. Yes.
Yes.
We're using this personal pronoun. We remember we have ita, uta, kata. Those are personal pronouns as well. But this one even easy because when it comes to third, I mean plural, you just use it is yeno, yeto, yao. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now we are going to make sure you have your paper. Tata, once here we're going to try to make sure that we understand what we are doing. You know what you're doing. Yes. As I always say, little but mastered. Yes. We
Yes.
can't have everything, but the little we know, we should make sure that we know it good, we know it well, we master it. Yes. Oh, sister, is she coming?
Oh no, she's under the weather today.
Oh
She's
no
been
worries. Thank you.
she's
Thank
been
you.
kind of under the weather the whole week.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Tata Allen. Remember here, when I say it's really, we mean what in Congo, we mean insistence in Congo, yes. We're talking about the personal pronoun insistence, yes?
Yeah.
Here we say it's really me, yeah. You knock. Who's that? Remember, it's really me. It's really I. It's really you. It's really him, her. It's really us. It's really you. So we're using pronoun, personal pronoun. Remember your personal pronoun. Then we are going to remove this. Put English version, Congo version of each of them. Yes, is it clear to them?
Yeah.
Mono. Can you try to tell them mono?
Mono.
Hmm?
Oh, are you asking me? Is it
Yeah, if you can translate, it's really me. In Kikongo,
uh,
it's really me.
is it
You go first for your.
mono?
Hmm?
Is it
I know you know. Don't worry. Go ahead. Yes, just do it. Mono K begin with KW. Yes.
mono Kwame?
Yeah. Yes. Mono Kwame. That's how it is.
Yes.
Mono Kwame. It's really remember insistence. Mono Kwame. Tata Kwasi. Yes. Second, it's really you. Tata Audrey. Yes. Can you try, please?
Um. Uh.
Oh, you is there. You
Neg-
is there. We're using it. You is
n-
there.
yeah. Negay.
Ngeye. Remember,
Ngay.
we're not reading. You don't read N. N is there for your nasal. Yeah.
Okay.
Ngeye.
Ngay. Uta.
If you go, you can check on your notes. Remember your insistence. Kwame, Kwaku, Kwandi.
Oh, okay. Ngay. Um. Uh,
Second singular, yes.
um.
I know you know
Looking
that.
for it.
KW.
Uh.
Kwaku, yes.
Kwatu. Yeah.
Kwaku,
Ngay
yes. Ngeye
Kwatu.
Kwaku, yes. Ngeye Kwaku, yes. Tata Kwasi, can you try plural? No, sorry, plural. I mean third singular, yeah. It's really him. It is really him. It's really her. Yandi.
I don't ask Kwandi.
Well done. Yeah. Yandi Kwandi, yes. Even easier here. You see, You just removing the Y, then you put your KW prefix. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
It's really us, Tata Audrey. It's really us.
Um,
I'm gonna use the bathroom and come back.
Okay.
let me see. That would be um.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, looking at it.
That will help. Here we have your standard, they call it standard. Suffix is the from the third from plural, yes. Eto, aku, au. So
Uh,
yeto, yeto,
Owl. Uh,
yeto, us. We're talking about us. It's really us. First plural. Yeto, yeto.
Yeto.
Yeah, then yeah, your
Um,
insistence, yeah, KW.
Yeto. Uh, uh, in Keno.
Yeto, Cueto.
Cueto.
Yeah, yes. Remember this one, you just change, you just dropping your, I mean, you remember Ame Aku, that's why I keep saying those are very important. Can you see?
Yes.
Very, I mean, in terms of grammar, at least
Us.
this aspect of grammar, make sure you know that, remember that. That's all, yes?
Okay, yeah, because you said for the
Yeto
third
Cueto, Yeto Cueto.
Yeto Cueto.
Yeah. That's what I keep saying. Remember your Ame, Aku, Andy.
Oh yeah, you're in the second plural, right?
First plural, it's
First
really
plural.
us. First, first plural, which is Yeto. Your personal
Uh
pronoun here, Yeto, yes.
Yeto Cueto.
Well done, yes, yes. Yeah, well done, yeah. Try to practice with sister when you're talking at home. Ibiako.
I mean at home, I'm more relaxed. So it's here it's more
Intense,
stressful.
Okay, no worries. Titon that. Tata Allen, it's really them. It is really them. Second, sorry, third plural. It is really them.
Yau Kwao.
Well done, Yahukwao. Yes, just remember your Ameaku. Yes, well done.
What
Okay,
is it? Can you spell it?
okay, that
Y
okay.
Y
Let
A
me.
W Y A
Y A
W U
W.
U
That
Y A
question.
W U.
Have you got your papers? Did you remember your notes?
Do I have mine?
Your notes. I sent. I did send fund. This fund. I
Yeah, I'll
mean,
go back in my
not one.
notes.
Yes. Okay. Kwame. Okay. Let me try to write it down. Uh, let me try to help here. Give 1 minute. I think I should have it. Yeah. Kwame. Kwaku. Yes, they're there. Tata Kwasi. Can you see? Ame Aku. Yes.
I see it, yes.
Yeah. So, do you know this by heart? Do you know this suffix is by heart?
I don't.
Can you write down, please?
Amiaku.
Can you write down, please? Because you need to remember these are critical, very important. You need to know that. Ame
Okay.
Aku Andy. Ame is your first. Ame Aku Andy first, second, third singular. Eto,
Mm-hmm.
sorry, something is missing here. Who can help me?
Eto uno aku.
Yeah, Katana, can you help me? Something is missing here.
Eno.
Well done, yes. See, well done, yes. No, yes. No. No. Give me 2 seconds. Let me just do. No. Ah, no. What am I doing? Sorry. Let me just go back. What's happening? Where am I? Okay. Yes, tata question. Can you write down, please? Ame aku andi eto. Oh no, something's going wrong here. What's happening? So, mm, okay, I think you got ame aku. Let me try to display. Let me try to. There's an issue here. I can't add the eno. Tata question have ame aku andi eno. Sorry, I can't write down. I can't write it. Something going wrong here. First plural is eno, then eto, au. Ame aku andi eto. Sorry, I'm sorry. Ame aku andi eto first plural, then eno second plural. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Ame aku andi eto first plural, eno second plural, then au. Okay. Yeah.
You had sent, so it still should be in the notes as far as what you sent us.
Sorry.
It still should be like you sent us the printout, or so it's still on his phone or in his text or whatever. He should have the notes.
So I don't understand. So Satan, I didn't get it. So Satan, you talking about the notes I sent to
Yeah,
you?
like the notes that you sent, like the paper, because like I
Yes.
got the
You
have
should
the
have it
paper.
on a group, on the WhatsApp group. It is in.
Yeah,
It should be there. Yeah.
so
Let me
so
just
so he can
sorry?
print it out if you like.
Yes. Tata Kwasi.
Mm-hmm.
It's really me. Mono.
Mono Kwame.
Well done. Yeah, Mono Kwame. Yeah, bravo. Bravo, Tata David. Yambote Tata David.
Kiambote, Kiambote.
Yeah. Thank you very much for the time. Yes. Okay. Over to you, Tata. Okay, let me go back to Tata Kwasi again. Well done, Tata Kwasi. Ngeye. Insistent Ngeye. Ngeye, second.
Me?
It, I mean, to Kikongo, it's really you. Yeah. Then.
You talking to me or you talking to
Ngeye
him?
Kwaku.
Wow,
Oh,
well
okay.
done, Tata Kwasi, yes. Tata David, it's really him, her. Tata David, this one easy. The
Okay.
clue is there. You just need to drop why when it comes to emphatic.
Right.
Yandi,
Yeah. Yandi Kwandi.
Kwandi, bravo, Yandi Kwandi. Yes. It's really us, Tata David, it's really us. Remember?
Okay. Uh,
Eto, Eno, Aku, yeah.
yeah.
Sorry.
Uh,
Yeto,
Yeto Kwau.
Kwa them, Yeto.
Yeto, is
Okay.
it Yeto Cueto?
Yeah, well done.
Yeah, that's right.
Just dropping the Y, yes. Are we clear on that? Yeah, Tata questions.
Yes, yeah, I'm clear.
Yeah, Tata David, yes.
Yes. Now I am. Mm-hmm.
Tata Audrey, well done, yes. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm not going at all. We're talking Congo. Kikongo now, yeah. Um, that's how I was saying to Tata Audrey, try to practice with your sister. Yeah.
Is that not going? That's Key
Hmm.
Lindsay Kwamiko.
You can remove Lendi, yes. It's coming soon.
Oh, I thought that was
Well,
more on the.
you're on good path. Can you say it again, please? Kilendi. No, Kilendi, no. Ki. Going is Kwenda. Kikwenda, yeah?
Kikwenda.
Mm.
Kikwenda Kwamiko.
Bravo, yes. Kikwenda Kwamiko, yes. That's a question, yes.
Oh, I'm not that good.
Kikwenda Kwamiko. Remember, Kwame is here after the verb. Okay. That question, can you try here? Now we're using Lendi. We're using Lendi and the insistence. That Lendi before your verb, insistence, emphatic after your verb. That question, can you try, please?
Try to say I can't go at all.
Yes, Kikongo, yes. Remember, in double negative, you have a key, extreme left,
Kiko.
core, the other end. Key, yeah, key. To go, Kwenda, yes.
Kikwenda ku.
Yes, Kikwenda
Ki-
go back two pieces missing. I mean, what? Yeah, we have Lendi and emphatic. Tata, thank you, Tata Quest. Tata, can you help please?
Is that Kilendi Kwamiko?
Yeah, you're missing the most important bit, your verb. Where's your verb? Yeah, you did well. Yeah, you just you dropped your verb.
Okay, let me look. Man.
You did it before. You did it.
Oh man.
Kilendi, Kilendi.
Kilendi.
Your verb is Kwenda. Your verb is Kwenda.
Oh yeah. Kilendi.
Kilendi kwenda ku. Kwakwe.
Yeah, Tata question. Yeah, almost there. Tata, yes. Kilendi, Kwenda.
Kilendi Kwenda Kwamiko.
Bravo, yes, yeah. Yes. You single.
Oh, I have Kikwenda Kwamiko. So it's
Yeah,
Kilendi.
Sorry, Tata question. Yeah, Kikwenda, Kilendi. Can't is Lendi. Tata question. Can't is your Lendi. Yes.
Okay.
Tata Ale, you talk to someone. You singular. You can't go at all. KU, yeah. In this case, KU, yes.
Kulendi kwenda kwakuko.
Bravo, yes. Tata, did you get that? Kulendi Kwenda Kwaku. Yes. Kwaku is second plural. No, second singular. Tata David. We can't go at all. Tata David, please.
Okay.
Katu, yeah. Katu.
Okay. Kikweno kwenda ko.
First plural, Tata David, please.
Kikweno
Katu.
kwenda kwamiko.
Katu.
Kilenda Kwatu Kwamiko.
Yeah, you remember always when it comes to negative, the first thing to remember is your ke, key, or the k. In this case, we're using katu, but negative ke or k something always your sentence. Katulendi kwenda kwetoko. Tata David, yes.
Wait, can you say it again? Can you say that again?
Katulendi. Remember
Katulendi
kwenda
Kwamiko.
Kwetoko. Oui.
For we.
Yes. Remember Katu, plural is easy. Katu, ki is your negative, tu is your personal pronoun. That's a question. Are you okay? Okay, here. Remember, First, we call it possessive, yeah? The prefix depends on your object, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Remember the game, we're still using ame aku. Remember ame aku suffix, yes? Suffix, ame
So
aku,
do
so
they have
on.
sex or something? How do we choose?
Yeah, you can do this. Tata, let me just display this. I'm going to abstract. Okay. Tata, quasi. Disa, my con. Disa. Request. Disa.
What to do? Conjugate?
Oh,
Am I saying disame or ame disa?
Disa diame, yes.
Disa diame.
Yeah, disa diame. In this case, you use the. Let me just try to highlight it. Generally speaking, we just use the first letter, but in this case, we use both. Yeah, disa diame. Yes. Other
mm-hmm.
questions? Yeah, well done, Tetukas. You're doing well, you know. Okay. Nzimbu. Here we use just first letter. First letter being Z. Why first letter is Z? That's a question, remember? Why is the first letter Z?
Because the N is like silent, I guess.
Yeah, well done. The N is there for your nasal. That's what I'm saying
Mm-hmm.
Nzimbu. You don't say N Nzimbu. No, Nzimbu.
In Zimbu.
Nzimbu, yeah.
Limbo.
In this case, we use the first letter. You know.
Limbo.
Okay, my money. That question. You know, you're just using the first letter, which is Z. Yeah. My money.
Okay.
That question.
You say my
Yeah, my money.
zim
My money.
zimbu ziame.
Zimbuzame. Yes, you drop. Just use I. Yeah, well done. Yeah. Zimbuzame. Tata
Zimbu
David,
zame.
my, my business. I mean issues. Mambu, Tata David.
Mambu mami.
Well done. Yeah. Titondele. Kima. Oh, easy. Tata Audrey. Kima. Is it the first two letters? Kima.
Kim, Kima. Wait. Is that wait? So what you want me to say? I'm sorry.
Yeah, your object is Kima, yes? Remember,
Yeah.
Ame Aku, just using the first two letters, please.
I'm saying this is my object, or what am I?
Yeah. This is this is my object. This is my stuff, my things, yeah.
Is that Kima?
Kiara.
Kiame.
Well done, Kima Kiam, yes. Dinu, tata, Ale, Dinu.
Dinu diame.
Well done, Dinu Diame. Tata David, Meno. Thief, plural.
Yeah.
Yes.
Meno miame.
Remember, second plural, eto, eno, au, meno. We're talking about the us. Meno.
Oh, our you want me to say our teeth?
Yes, please.
Oh,
Meno,
okay. Meno mieno.
Meno meto. Yeah, meno meto.
Meto.
First plural. Tata, can you try this one? Just the first letter. Mine.
And what my
My
translation
hands.
is?
My hands.
My hands.
Moko.
Moko mwame.
Mame. Yes. Wow. Well done. Any question? Tata Devi, okay? No questions. Okay, Tata David. Oh, what's up with Tata David?
No, that's clear to me.
Okay, can you hear me, Tata David? Are you there?
Yeah.
Okay, now small talk. Yeah.
Mhm.
Oh man.
So, you remember, can you see the small box? Kikongo is a tonal language, as you know. Moko means dialogue, talk. Moko. But the long vowel means hands, plural. Moko. This one, Moko. Okay. Tata, you talking Tata David.
Yeah, I'm trying to remember. Let's see. Um, uh,
This is the first time I
where?
listen.
Right.
Tata,
Where I know I remember Tuka is coming from, but yeah, so that's right.
Tuka, yes, yeah. Tata, your
Yeah.
question, you're on red, yeah, Tata, yeah. Kikongo, we talking
Okay, so
Kikongo here. And we greeting first, of course, yeah.
Right. So you would say
Tata David, let Tata Ale is,
oh, okay.
yeah.
okay, Kiambo Tata David.
No, let's say Tata David is a lady, yeah. Tata Ale, yes.
I'm sorry.
You are the boy, and Tata Ale is the girl.
Okay, so I should say what? Kiambo Tata.
No, you
Oh,
are the man. He is the lady.
okay, Kiambo Nengwa.
Thank you.
Gamble Tata.
Carry on, Tata.
Oh man.
Uh,
Tata
Kwe
Ale, this is your question.
Kwe Kwe Tuka.
Kwe uta. Well done.
Kwe Tuka Nengwa.
Now, kwe uta. Remember, object then come with your
Yeah.
object, then
Kwe
uta tuka. Yeah. Your object first, then your personal
yeah.
pronoun. Yes.
Kwe Uta
Tuka.
Tuka
Tuka.
Nengwa.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Tata. Yes. Well done.
Then I would say Hitatuka Mbanza Congo.
Your object first, Tata David. You're not wrong, but we just have to keep the standard. I mean, the
Okay.
pattern.
Uh,
Kumbanza Congo, yes.
yeah. Oh, Mbanza Congo Ita Tuka.
Kumbanza Congo Tuka, yes. Can you tell me?
Kwe. Let me find the word for that. Live.
Zinga is a Zinganga.
Kwe Zinganga Nengwa.
Your first
Oh,
opponent,
Kwe Uta Zinga.
Kwe Uzinganga.
Yeah, Kwe Uzinganga.
Mm.
Is it Uzinga
Zinganga,
Langa, right?
Zinganga, yeah.
Okay. Kwila Futa Itazinga.
Well, there is Zinganga, yeah, because now we talk.
Izinganga, okay.
Yeah, the first one is present continuous, yeah, this one. This one, present tense, yeah, are you there, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Totally.
Yeah.
This is a continuous, present continuous. This one, present tense.
Is this
Yes,
like this part right here? Is it from before I came in? Because I don't have those papers.
I did send it at David last week. You have it on your page. I mean, on a group.
Oh, okay.
Okay, Tata Allen here. You saying bye to Nengwa.
Kwenda Kiambo Tenengwa.
Wenda.
Wenda Kiam. Oh, it's singular, right?
Wenda.
Wenda Kiambo Tenengwa.
And I would say Sala Kiambute Tata.
Stay. Yeah, well done, Tata. Well done, yeah. Then Tata,
Tutonde Lenengwa.
Tata David.
I don't remember how to say you're welcome.
Kediambuko.
Kediambuko.
Yeah, Diambo is
Kediambuko
translation.
Tata.
the no affairs. Remember, old English. It's not old English, but you know what I'm trying to say. Affairs is not.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm not going to expand on that. You understand me? Yes, let me just Tata out. Have a question. Okay. Okay, Tata Audrey, have you found your paper now?
Oh yeah, yeah, I'm
You
looking
found
at
it.
it now.
You found it. Okay.
With that one, with the one that we're on now, I don't quite know because how you got it. I don't quite know how to
Yeah,
pronounce
you
those
have
yet.
you have you we did it last 2 weeks ago, but this just application we're trying to practice, Remember, present continuous, Kweutatuka, where coming from. Then we have present tense. Don't worry, Tata. We're coming back to that next week.
Okay.
Tata Kwesi, are you okay on this one? Sorry. Tata Kwesi, yes.
Sorry?
Do you have your paper on present continuous, present tense with you? No.
It's on my phone. I don't have access to it.
Sorry, you couldn't print. Don't worry. Let's try to move. Yes. Okay. Okay. I mean, we're going back to something, but this is a bit different. We're using the verb kala.
Okay.
David, can you see my screen? Yes.
Yeah.
Kala. Make sure this is Kikongo. Kala is the verb to be. There's no nasal. If you say kala, you mean tomb. Tomb, yes? Letter David, did you hear that? That's Kikongo. Make sure you pronounce correctly. There's no N, there's no nasal. Kala. Okay. I'm fine. Remember, can you see this box? Insistence after the verb, but on this case, this is special case, yes? Insistence before the verb, yes? That one, yes? Your insistence goes before the verb, yes? Here. Okay. I'm really well. Tata Audrey.
Kala Wambute Wuna.
No, your verb is there. Your verb is there. Your verb is there. Done. The verb is done, yes? Just need to put your insistence between
Um,
one boat and Gina, yes.
so what I put
You know your
Wambute,
insistence.
huh?
KW, one boat, KW.
Kwambute.
Kwame, just Kwame. Wambote Kwame, yes? Wambote Kwame.
Wambute Kwame. And Gina.
Yes, he's there. Can you see the insistence? Yes, they're there. Yes?
Yeah.
Can you see the
Oh
box
yeah,
here?
yeah.
Yeah, they're there. Two-tone daily. Tata Kwasi, second singular, please. Wambote, you insert, you put the insistence here.
Wambote kwakuuna.
Bravo, yes. Wambote Kwakuna. Two-tone daily. Tata Allen, third, yes. She's really well, she's fine.
Wambote kwandi kena.
Well done, yes. Here, just remember first and second plural. First and plural. The pattern, can you see the pattern? Tulu, yes? We are very well. We are very well. Tata David. Toi.
Tuambute Cueto Tuna.
Bravo, yeah. Tuambute Cueto Tuna, yes. You many are very well. Tata Audrey.
Lambute.
Luambote.
Lambute. Queno Luna.
Well done. Here, no, normally I should have written KW. No, TW. I left like TU just to make sure to help you see the pattern. Yeah, yes.
Yeah, yeah.
I should have written TW because that's exactly the issue. When someone who is not Mukongo, who is not African, reads that, is going to read Tua, but it should be Tua. TW,
Tua.
Tuambote Kwetu Tunu. Tua, yes.
Okay.
Again, that's how the
Oh,
you many are well. Sorry?
um, okay. Luambute, Quina Luna.
Well done, Lombote Kweno Luna. Yes, you are very well. Yes. See
Question.
my box here. See my box here. Tuambote. Tuambote should sound Tua, should sound Tua. Yes. That's a
Oh,
question.
okay.
They are very well. They are fine. Bambote.
Bambote kwawu bena.
Well done. Yes. Tata David. So, third person, singular, please. I think you done it, Tata David.
Yeah. Third person.
The third singular, please.
Oh,
She is
okay.
very well. She's very well.
She is.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Let's see. That would be
Wambote,
Wa-
huh?
yeah. Wambote Kwakuuna.
Third singular, Tata.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Wambote Kwandiwuna.
Wambote Kwandikena. Wambote Kwandikena. The verb is here.
I'm sorry.
Your verb's
Yeah.
here. No worries. Yeah. Your verb's here.
Yeah.
Any questions? That's hard. It's hard, you know? Kikongo. It's not easy. That's hard. Any questions? This one?
No.
You got your note, just you double check your message on the group.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
We are not using the assistance, yes? This is easy. Easier than the previous one. Wambote ngina, yes. Wambote una, wambote kena, wambote tuna. Bambote, remember? Bambote tuna. From first plural, bambote, all of them, ba, 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 ba. Yes? Tata Devi, yes? Wambote ngina, wambote una, wambote kena. I know it's not easy, but you're doing well. Tata question. Kikongo. Any question, Tata?
No question.
Oh, well done. Just to recap, quick one. The beginning. Yes, you got your emphatic. Where's my pointer? So, yeah, the key words. I mean, you must remember your ame, aku, andi. Yes, all the time you keep using. Even here, when you're talking about the kima, kiame, ame, suffix is there. This is a small talk. Ngina, kala, ngina, una, kena, tuna, luna. Ngina, una. Is the pattern clear on this verb? Tata David.
Yes.
Is the pattern clear? The verb kala. Ngina, una, kena, tuna, luna, bena. Yes?
Yes.
Same thing. Ngina, una, kena, tuna, bena. Remember, the plural is easy. Lu, tuba. Tutondele. Well done. You done well. Tata Kwasi, thank you very much. Okay.
The notes in the chat, is there any way that that can be sent to us?
I mean, you mean the box, the file?
What's written in the
over in the chat window?
Yeah.
Can you say that again? That you mean this file? Do you mean this file? Send you this file?
No, the one that's in the chat.
Hang on.
Yeah, Alan was helping us out with some notes here.
Oh,
Oh,
Yeah, the notes in the.
well,
the chat.
that thing. Well, then this said. Now you have all this on your notes. Just double check your notes. Everything is on your notes.
Okay.
Yeah, mono there. You have everything there. Kika, yeah. Tata, what's your question? Moko meto. Tata, you help me. Moko meto translation.
I'm sorry. I was having a hard time hearing you because can you say that again? Moko.
Yeah, on chat. Tata question is asking a question. Moko meto.
Right, the last thing in the chat.
Yeah, translation. Tata.
Oh, what? Moko. I guess. Are we talking about the hand?
Moko is plural. Hands.
Yeah. So it should be moko miyame.
Hands. No.
Oh, our hand.
Yeah, plural. Many.
Yeah. Moko meto.
Well done. Tata questions? Yambote. Yambote ningwa. Beryl Monumvimba. Oh, thank you very much. Okay. Let us call it a day to Tondele. Well done. Have a good week. See you next Sunday. Tata, how do you want me to send out the file again? I mean, you have all the files.
No. I thought he was putting something extra.
No, everything is there. This is just a
Yeah. No,
recap.
I'm fine.
Well done, Tata.
I appreciate you, Dr. Allen. I appreciate it.
Yeah, he's teacher. Assistant. Yes. He's always there. Yeah. Okay.
Tutondele.
Wenda Kiambo.
Sala Kiambo.
Sala Kiambo.
Sala Kiambote. Sala Kiambote.
Kietu yangani kawa uko iwao bongole meso mwene isibuli matu uwidi ikonzo dieno Keno luvo vangavo Congo jafa Keno luvo vangavo Congo jafa Bizatala kwenwe Eyala kulu Bizatala kwenwe Ekulungi mikansi Congo jatumba Keno luvo vangavo Congo jafa